I've got a few updates for you guys today. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. All right, lot going on today. So first off, woke up to a pending software update, and that'll be starting while I'm out to breakfast with friends. So I'll give you guys an update on that once I have that software update installed. But primarily, I want to discuss the two people that have run into my car and how the insurance claims are going on that, and the referral program. Very interesting. So first off, insurance claims. So luckily, both people that ran into me have major insurance coverage through major insurance companies that are good to deal with. So I have had issues with the first one that hit the rear end of me. Just because she refused to claim responsibility for the accident, so I had to get real pushy with her insurance company. They have completely authorized it. I spoke with them yesterday. They've given me the thumbs up to bring it into the body shop, so that's great. Second, the person that backed into the nose of my car, same thing. Her insurance company, actually, they were phenomenal. They called me instantly, told me, yep, she's claiming responsibility for hitting you, and we're going to cover it, and there's no problems. Both insurance companies told me that they have diminished value compensation. Now, I was told by the one body shop that I'm taking the car to probably only expect a couple grand out of that, but you know, I don't plan on getting rid of the car, so a couple $1,000 in my pocket is a couple $1,000 in my pocket. So I can put it toward paying tax on the new Roadster. Anyway, the car is going into Custom Classics in the town of Island Lake, Illinois. I live near them. I know the owner. He has done numerous repairs for me in the past. Every year, every spring, I bring my wife's blue Ford Fusion all-wheel drive, awesome car. Every spring I bring the car to him to have any dings and scratches corrected. Have the car either buffed out, or the one time they cleared it, and have it detailed, and just I give him the car, tell him I want a brand new car back. And so gotten to know the owner there really, really well. He's also a client of mine through my business. So anyway, a lot of rambling there, but he said that they can take care of both issues at the same time, but it would just be the front end of the car would be under one repair ticket. The rear end damage would be under a second ticket, billed out to different insurance companies. Now, I have paint protection film on the nose of my car, and I was told that the car, I can't have new protection film put on for a couple weeks after the paint. So that's a little bit of an iffy thing. Part of me wants to wait till the spring to have it done just for that reason. The insurance companies both said they don't mind how long I wait, but I don't know. I want to have the rear done sooner than that. I'm sick of looking at that dent, but I might wait on the nose until the spring. We'll see. And then there's some question mark as to whether or not the insurance company is willing to cover new paint protection film. So the body shop may just add it as a line item to their repair bill. It was $550. It really wasn't that expensive. So again, they may add it just to the repair bill to sort of push it through rather than me trying to get it as a separate item. But it is technically considered an aftermarket thing, so I don't know. That's up in the air. Honestly, I wanted to go with a different type of paint protection film anyway. This one has a couple of seams on it that I don't like, but that's fodder for another video. Lastly, and potentially most exciting, is the referral program. So if those of you guys that have been watching my videos for a while, you've seen that I did a video recently on an update of what's going on with the referral program as a whole, but also my particular account. I never did get the coveted email that says you have unlocked the first secret level, and where it allows you to trace your progress toward a new Roadster. Never got that email. However, I did receive an email from someone who I thought was the head of the referral department, but it wasn't. It was just an aide to somebody there. And his email had stated that he only sees 5 referrals for me, even though at the time I had 15, and I've got 20 at this point. But he said, I can only see 5 referrals. He said sometimes they take a while to propagate into the system. Yes, you qualify for the Roadster program. Well, that still seems like an iffy thing, and I've been a little concerned about it. And well, I just received a confirmation email yesterday from somebody that is more in the know in the referral department, and that email is here. So here's the email that I received. Hello, Matt. Thank you for contacting us regarding the Tesla referral program. I apologize for any inconvenience this delayed response has caused. I've submitted a ticket to get your secret level unlocked. At this time, I do not have any TA on when this will be completed. Keep watch on the loot box for the secret level to be unlocked. With your 10th referral in this current reward period, you are automatically eligible for 10% off the Roadster, and we'll secure your spot for a Founders Series Roadster Edition. You do not need to make a deposit. And then it goes on to say every referral after that will receive a 2% discount from the base price. So yeah, good stuff. I'll be keeping an eye on my loot box for that update. So you can see by that email that yes, indeed, I am in the referral program. For whatever reason, there's some delay in getting that, getting my secret level unlocked, and that they are, reserving a Founders Edition Roadster for me. So that's great. And kind of interesting, it was December 6th that I sent that email initially, and I had 15 referrals. As of today, it's December 19th, and I have 20 referrals. So in that 13 days, I've gotten 5 more referrals. So that's a referral roughly every 3 days. Now, I don't know if that's sustainable or not, but I really only started obtaining referrals at all about 2.5 months ago because so many people were hammering me for my referral code. And so driving past my wife, she and I are meeting friends for breakfast. So anyway, about 2.5 months ago, some of my viewers began hounding me for my referral code. And so I began putting it in my videos. I think it took a month to get 5 referrals, and then in the next month and a half since then, I've gotten 15. So it is about anywhere from every 3 to 5 days I get 1 more referral. And again, I don't know how sustainable that is, but it does look like at the rate I'm getting them, it'll be springtime and I'll have a 100% discount on a Roadster. But you know, that's hard to say. I did send a reply email to the referral department explaining, hey, I have a YouTube channel. I do a lot to promote Tesla vehicles. I spend a lot of time emailing potential Tesla clients with answering questions that they have about Tesla vehicles and the Model 3 in particular. I've got over 26,000 miles on an early Model 3, and I went through the whole spiel. And I said, I'm just concerned. I want to make sure that the referral program is going to stay in force long enough for me to get, if not 100% discount on a Roadster, at least a very, very substantial discount. Right now, at 20 referrals, that would be 30% discount. The first 5 referrals are individual gifts, and then referral number 6 is a 2% discount, and every referral after that is 2%. So I have 15 referrals beyond that first 5, which gives me a 30% discount on a Roadster. I cannot afford 70% of a Roadster. I would need, I'd say, a minimum of 20, well, a minimum of 15, 18, maybe more referrals in order to afford the balance of a Roadster. So really trying for 100% discount. So anyway, lots of exciting stuff going on. And for those of you that are new to the channel, welcome. Should have welcomed you at the beginning of the video. But yeah, I'm a little scatterbrained today because I'm pretty excited. There's a lot going on. Anyway, if you're buying a new Tesla, go ahead and use my referral code. There'll be a link in the description below. And go ahead and subscribe. This channel has just been a lot of fun for me, and I really appreciate all of my viewers. Got some interesting ideas for videos coming up here soon, so keep your eye peeled. And also, I'll be out of state over Christmas, but I'm going to be filming a bunch of videos, a bunch of content before I leave. Then I'll be editing and uploading those videos between this coming weekend, and we'll be coming back in state the day after Christmas, and which is incidentally my wife and I, our 26th wedding anniversary is the day after Christmas. So we'll be celebrating our 26th anniversary on the 26th of December. So cool stuff. Anyway, thanks for putting up with the rambling, guys. You have yourselves a great day. Bye-bye now.